Man, what a nasty day up here in Highlands, North Carolina. But we're on the golf course out here in the Highlands Country Club doing a unit on a wet, nasty day. We're doing 114. Let's go down here and see what we get ourselves into. And of course, on a day like today, carpet. Ay, ay, ay. Of all colors. White. So make sure you take your shoes off when you step on this stuff. These units here go for about 1.5 million a piece because they're on the fairway, basically, on the golf course. But anyway, got this side here done, all nice and pretty. Just got finished stretching all that in. Got to cut out some vents in here. Yeah, always use that power stretcher. That right there helps you stretch the carpet out just enough to where you won't have any wrinkles in it, because people don't want their carpets wrinkling. And then we'll come over to this side. I think it's almost the same, but not quite. Get this in here all laid out. Ready. Nothing, I'm doing a video. And getting it all cut in, and got this guy over here.
I charge.
Seaming it together. There we go. Look at that nice seam. Watch that. He's gonna put that thing together. That's right. He likes to charge you for video. Oh gosh. Like I said, best carpet installer in the world. Oh gosh, he's a funny one. He's a funny one, guys. But anyway, we're gonna be done with this one here today, and then we're gonna move on to the next one. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Not a good day to be playing golf. Raining all day. Y'all be careful.